Hello friends, welcome to our Photoshop tips and tricks. Click Layer option and first layer to duplicate. Then select third layer. Then close layer option. Then go to View to Rulers to click. Then upside and left side ruler point to drag on center. Then click Layer option and select first layer. Then close layer option. And Ctrl+T. And center point to drag on place ruler's center. Then click and rotate. And enter. Then Ctrl+Shift+Alt+T. More times same process. Then adjust the last layer. Ctrl+T to adjust. Then look at the image. Thank you for watching videos.